Hi guys, Kula Vlog. Today is read time. So. Wait a minute, okay? Tadi kebabagan. Wait na guys. Fine. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, I'm back, guys. Don't you think, okay? Okay? Yes! Candy or chocolate. Yay! Yay! Oh my god! So lame. Yay! Iggy, why are you not excited? Because I'm excited. Okay, let's go with page 25. So, okay, ako muna basa, okay po? Ang nung may hari, ang sanging ninahan, gusto kong nini, nagdad ini. Sino number 2? Dito. Mom ako! 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 Oh, sige. Ikaw, Nini. Sige, Mom. Gusto ko naman isang ginginig. Anang kuyo, isang ginginig. Lahat ito, ang puso ako. Lahat! Ako mabuhay. Thank you, Mom. Welcome po. Okay. So, give you chocolate. Mom, thanks! Mom, thanks! Mom, thanks! Oh, thank you. Guys, that chocolate ko, guys. Oh. Lahat kayo ng chocolate ko. Okay. Nini, Sophie, Casey. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Class dismissed. Yes, dismiss. Yes, dismiss. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, dismiss. Yeah, dismiss. No, dismiss na.